Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by InTheMoneyStocks. Today is March 16, 2016. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in today. All right, looking at the S&P 500 E-mini futures, you're going to see that they are trading lower by 5 points to 2,010 and 3/4 per contract. What are we going to make out of this today? We're not going to make much out of it. Today is the all-important Federal Reserve meeting at 2 o'clock. Everybody is waiting on that announcement by the Fed to see what they have to say. Now, we are expecting no real rate change, but what we are looking for is a policy statement saying, hey, maybe we're going to raise rates in the future. If we get something along those lines, we'll see how the market reacts. But again, it's almost like an earnings report. You really never know what a company is going to say. And to be honest, we really never know what the Federal Reserve is going to say. So we'll just sit tight, stay tuned, and we'll let the market tell us what to do. But right now, futures are coming down a little bit more this morning. Now, a couple things we should talk about quickly. You do have foreign banks, or I should say European banks, moving lower. So right off the bat, I am seeing Deutsche Bank with a pretty good sell-off here. Stock closed at $20.15, now trading at $18.92. Credit Suisse is being accused of money laundering. Stock is trading at $14.30, closed at $15.30 yesterday. SAM, which is Banco Santander, also trading lower on the back of that news. And you probably have other European banks as well also trading down. So again, traders should be aware of that right before anything today, they start anything. So just remember, European bank stocks are under pressure today. All right, let's take a look at some stocks in the news here. We're going to look at Oracle. They reported earnings yesterday after the closing bell. Stock right now is trading at $40.35. That's a great little move. All in all, Oracle has a lot of resistance up here at these levels. I will have gap levels for us posted up in the intraday stock chat room right at 9 o'clock. So again, if you want to come over and trade Oracle alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat, and you can trade right alongside of us. With that being said, let's take a look at CMG, which is Chipotle Mexican Grill. It looks like they guided lower. They're going to actually post the first ever loss. The stock right now is trading at $477, closed at $503. I would get interested in this stock around $440, $441, $442. So again, we'll keep it on the radar. We'll see if it gets down there. But again, if Chipotle Mexican Grill can get down around the $440 level, I do think that's a pretty good area. Could actually be $442, but it is a little bit of what we call a thinner stock. Lately, it trades 1 million shares a day, but prior to the news of this norovirus and all of this botulism scares, the stock rarely traded 1 million shares a day. So 442, 440, that looks like a pretty good daily chart support level for me. Let's take a look at Lnkd, which is LinkedIn. This stock is down on a Morgan Stanley downgrade. But again, it's options expiration. You're going to get upgrades and downgrades during Options X. This is going to move markets around. Yesterday, Apple got a big upgrade by Morgan Stanley. It's just the way the game is played during the week of options expiration. These institutions all have an agenda, and they'll upgrade and downgrade stocks just for the heck of it so that they could get the stock price where they need it to be. Also, you'll get a lot of rumors the week of Options X, so just be aware of that. We've seen plenty of that this week already. Let's take a look at Peabody Energy, ticker symbol BTU. That stock is getting absolutely slaughtered. Closed at $4 and a penny. It is now trading at $1.91. We suspect they will be coming under bankruptcy protection pretty soon, so we'll see how that plays out. But again, I have no trade on that one whatsoever. Another downgrade today was GPS, which is called Gap. Everybody knows this retailer. Stock closed at $29.71, now trading at $28.50. The only level that I'm really seeing here that even looks halfway decent would be all the way down at 26.25. So be careful with this one. There's a pretty decent little drop. We'll see how it plays out today. Again, we'll keep it on the radar once the opening bell rings. Looking over at a few other things today, as everybody waits for the Federal Reserve, we want to take a look at gold. Gold is going to be a big mover after the Fed. Whether it's to the upside or the downside, I honestly do not know. But what I will say is, historically, anytime the Fed comes out with their policy statement, whether they do something or do nothing, gold usually will move on the news. So be aware of that. Sometimes it's a move up and then a move down, but it will be volatile. It will be choppy. So just be aware of that. Today, gold futures are trading down 60 cents to $1,200 and $1,230.40 an ounce. Crude is trading higher by 51 cents today. That's given energy stocks a little bit of strength here before the opening bell. But again, crude sold off quite nicely from the 38 level, so traders should be aware of that as well. All right, we're going to leave it here short and sweet. I want to wish you all a great trading day. And again, if you want to come over and trade alongside of us, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat. You'll see everything that we are doing there. And again, Oracle is one stock on our radar today, and we will look to trade many, many others. And again, a lot of action should be expected after the Federal Reserve reports today at 2 o'clock. With that being said, everyone, have a great trading session. We'll see you on the charts.